One of my friend called me and asked me that he want to compare pre-checks and post-checks which he took from router as a part of network change implementation. But in his organization, due to software policies, there's a restriction of using any third-party software like Compare.it and many more offline online tools which are used to compare text files. So what is the best way to compare the text files when you have such restrictions? The answer is using Microsoft Excel. Hi guys, this is Amar. Welcome to Amar Tech Stuff, and in this video we'll see how we can compare text files using Microsoft Excel. So guys, here we have the pre-checks file and the post-checks files, and this we want to compare. So what I'll do is I'll open this pre-checks file and just do Control A and Control C, and I've opened a blank new Microsoft Excel file. So I'll paste it over here in column A. Now I'll just go back and again I'll open this post-checks now. I'll do Control A, Control C and paste it under column B. So column A is pre-checks and column B is post-checks. So we want to find out the differences, what differences are between these two configurations. So what I'll do is I'll just select A and B, both of them. Under this home tab there's an option of conditional formatting. I'll just click on that. Under this we'll find an option of highlight cell rules. Under that we'll have an option of duplicate values. So I'll select it, duplicate values, format cell that contains, so that contains unique. I want to find out the differences, so I'll just say unique, and you can give any color. Let's say I'll give it as a red color. So whatever the differences are there between these two files, those will be highlighted in red color. I'll do OK. So once I do OK guys, you can see whatever configurational changes are there, you will find in the red color. So like I configured interface loopback 100, which was not earlier present. So here you can see in the pre-checks we are not finding that configuration, but in the post-checks you can find out. Again, I made one more change in the ACL. Okay, so you can find out in ACL. See here guys, in this ACL I've made this extra entry, configured this extra entry, so it is not present in the pre-checks but present in the post-checks. Again, I didn't configure any other thing, just output commands differences. You can see I just issued this command show interface description. So this is a new interface, and again show IP in brief, this is the new interface. So these are the configurational changes which I did, and of course which are reflecting in the post checks. So this is how you can compare it. Again, if the configuration file is too long and if you just want to filter out what are changes you made in the post checks, so what you can do is just select this column, and under this home tab you can find out over here one option is there, sort and filter. Just click on that and then click on filter. So just click on this particular filter and you can have an option like filter by color. So I'll just select this as a red color. So once I select it, you can find out the changes which we have done, or it will actually filter out the changes which we have done, or the differences between the pre-configuration and the post-configuration. This video is basically very useful for those guys who actually do the implementation, who knows that they have to do pre-checks, post-checks comparison, that is their daily job. So for those guys this will be a very useful trick. So guys, if you really like this video and find this video very useful, please do comment and let me know that let me know your feedback basically, because your feedback is very important. And if you really like this video, I'll also request you please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Amar Tech Stuff. I'll catch up in the next video. Till then, bye, thanks and take care.